Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will tackle 3 Algebra 1 problems on single variable linear equations, including consecutive integer tasks. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Find the 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is 48. Answer 1. First, call the first smallest even integer x, right? Then you can write down an expression for the other even integer in terms of x. So first one, first even integer equal x. Second even integer, look, find the 3 consecutive even integer. So x is a even number. Once we add plus 2, it will also become consecutive second even number. Third, even integer x plus 2, again plus 2, it means x plus 4, right? Now whose sum is 42, so we can write the sum of the 3 integer is 48. 48 or 42? 48. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal 48. So look, x, it will become 3x plus 2, 4, it means 6 equal 48. Then 3x equal, here 48 minus 6. So here is 3x equal 42. If we divide both sides by 3, so here is x and here is 14. So our smallest integer is 14. Now look, so first 14, second 14 plus 2, it means 16, third 16 plus 2, it means 18. Now look, 14 plus 16 is 30, 30 plus 18 is 48. So our answer is okay. And look, find the 3 consecutive even integer. 3 consecutive even integer is answer 14, 16 and 18. Okay, so our first question answer done. Let's start second one. Here, find a sequence of 4 integers with a common difference of 4 whose sum is 92. So first we can write call the first smallest what integer which is x. Second, or we can write here others. Second integer, look, here difference is 4, so x plus 4. Third integer x plus 4 plus again 4, it means x plus 8. And fourth one, here is x plus 8 again plus 4, it means x plus 12. So x plus 4, x plus 8 and x plus 12, the summation is 92. So we can write like this: the sum of the 4 integers is 92. So x plus 4 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 12 equal what? 92. So here we can write x, it means 4x plus 12, 8, 20, 20 plus 4 means 24 equal 92. Then 4x equal 92 minus 24, it means here is 8 and here it will become 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So if we divide both sides by 4, so here is x equals to 68 divide 4 means what? Here is 1 and here is 17. So our smallest integer is first integer x equal 17. Second integer what? X plus 4 equal 17 plus 4, it means 21. Third integer x plus 8 equal what? X is 17 plus 8, it means 25. And fourth integer x plus 12, it means 17 plus 12, it means 29. Now check our answer is okay or not. Just if we sum 17 plus 1 means 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22, here is 2, carry 2, so 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 2, 8, 8 plus 1 means 9. So our answer is okay. So consecutive phone number is what? 17, 21, 25 and 29. This is our answer. So our second math also done. Now let's start number 3. Number 3 is find a sequence of 4 integers with a common difference of 2 whose sum is 944. Decide whether these integers are even or it should be odd. Just let's check. Here is odd. Okay. Now let's start. So first call the first smallest integer what? X. Okay, then find a sequence of 4 integers with a common difference of 2. Now we will write other expression. other expressions are second difference is what? 2. So x plus 2. Third, it should be x plus 4, because once we subtract this one, the difference should be 2, right? Again, fourth, it should be x plus 6, and all the numbers, all the integers summation is what? 944. So we can write the sum of the fourth integers is 944. So we can write x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 equal 944. So here is phone number 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, here is x. So here we can write 4x plus 2, 4, 6 plus 6, it means 12 equal 944. So here 4x equal 944 minus 12, it will become, here is 2, here is 3, and here is 9. Now, so if we divide both sides by 4, it will become x equals to 2, 3, 3, right? So our smallest number is x. So first integer x equal 2, 3, 3. Second integer x plus 2, it means 2, 3, 3 plus 2 equals 2, 3, 5. Third integer what? 2, 3, 3 plus 4, it means 2, 3, 7. Fourth integer what? 2, 3, 3 plus 6, it means 2, 3, 9. So this is our answer: 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 9. Now look, here is another point, whether these integers are even or odd. Look, all the numbers are odd. So our answer is, whether these integers are even or odd, it's odd, and integers are like this. Well, today we try to solve 3 math, which is very important on examination. These types of consecutive tasks you should more practice at home. Thanks for being with me. Don't forget, subscribe the channel.